Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile using a PS4 controller. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is enabled. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar flashes. Finally, open your device's Bluetooth settings and select the wireless controller to establish the connection. This simple process takes less than 1 minute. Once connected, launch PUBG Mobile and navigate to the game settings. Look for the Controls or Layout section to customize your button assignments. You can map actions like movement, shooting, and inventory management to your preferred controller buttons. If direct in-game support is limited, consider using a reputable third-party keymapper application to achieve full control over your gameplay experience. This allows for a highly personalized setup. To truly enhance your gameplay, fine-tune the sensitivity settings within PUBG Mobile for both aiming and camera movement. Spend some time in the training mode to familiarize yourself with the new control scheme and build muscle memory. Additionally, ensure your mobile device has ample battery life for uninterrupted sessions, and consider using a comfortable phone mount to position your screen optimally for extended play. These small adjustments make a big difference. While using a PS4 controller offers advantages, be aware that official controller support for PUBG Mobile can vary, and some third-party mapping apps might carry risks or violate game terms. Always check for potential input lag and optimize your device's performance by closing background applications. Keep both your PS4 controller's firmware and PUBG Mobile updated to ensure the best possible compatibility and a smooth, responsive gaming experience. Stay informed and game smart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.